Memorial Day is right around the corner, and unfortunately, we will have to deal with a major system coming through right before Memorial Day. However, on the bright side, most of the models do show that this system will be out of here come Memorial Day. However, before we get there, we have to get throughout tonight, and because of the system coming into our area will bring us about a 30 to 40% chance of an afternoon, overnight scattered shower or thunderstorm with temperature steady in the mid to high 70s. Now, unfortunately, this line that will come through, it does have the chance to bring some strong to severe storms, particularly anywhere in between noon and 8 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, including the whole entire area. Within this line, we could see a couple of damaging wind gusts, large hail, frequent lightning, and also some very heavy rainfall as well. The Storm Prediction Center has now issued a slight 2 out of 5 risk, especially across portions of the eastern Carolinas, particularly anywhere east of the I-95 corridor. If you live westward into portions of Aiken, Columbia, Rock Hill, and up through the Midlands and upstate portions of South Carolina, and then eventually into North Carolina as well, you still have that chance, but it's not as great as you would say if you live in portions of the eastern Carolinas. So let's go ahead and time this out for you on future radar. Starting off at 7 a.m. in the morning, here's our first line of storms that's going to be coming through portions of Columbia, down into the southeastern portions of Georgia, as well as we advance this into your noon hour. This line continues to head towards the east, and this is what our severe weather shot is definitely going to start ramping up, especially across portions of the Midlands, the PD, and also the Low Country as well. This is a pretty good band that will be coming through probably in and around 10 a.m. or so. It's not necessarily going to be hitting Horry and Georgetown County just yet, but it will be impacting portions of Florence, Kingstree, and up through Dillon as well. As you are heading into your noon hour, this line of showers and storms continues to push to the east, and now we're looking at portions in between Florence and also Conway for that main shower to come through, and then we have a secondary line that will be coming through right at noon, same portions of Camden, Sumter, Orangeburg, Walter, down into Savannah as well. As we advance this even further into your afternoon, now we're going to about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. We do get a little bit of a break here. There's still some spotty showers or storms in and around Charleston and Waltersboro, but as you can see, in between Georgetown, Myrtle Beach, and up through Wilmington, we do get a small break, which is definitely needed. However, we do need all the rain we can get, considering we are in a moderate to severe drought stage as well. And over the course of the late afternoon into your evening as well, we could see a couple more scattered showers and thunderstorms here in Sumter and Florence, maybe across the upstate as well, but particularly the main event is going to be coming through anywhere between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. in the afternoon as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at how much rain we're going to be seeing over the next 10 days. Unfortunately, tomorrow is our one and only rain day that is currently showing up right now on the models, and we need all the rain we can get. Once again, we are in a moderate to severe drought across many portions of the eastern Carolina, so we need all the help we can get when it comes to rain. And once again, Friday is our only chance of rain. Very small chances for next Tuesday and Wednesday. Maybe some rain coming late next week or next weekend, but other than that, we stay completely dry when talking about rain. Now, most of you know that the first day of the hurricane season is coming up. This upcoming Wednesday, June 1st, is the official start of the Atlantic hurricane season. And while we may not be seeing a lot of things in the Atlantic, let's head over to the Pacific. And here we have Invest 91A. It's this massive area of convection that is currently just south of Central America. And this big cluster of thunderstorms is what the National Hurricane Center is watching very, very closely for potential development. The good thing is that when we look at these spaghetti models, these are all of the different models that we look at, giving us their own opinion of what they think that this particular storm is going to do. You can see most of them have it staying in this general area. A couple of them have it going westward into the more central Pacific. One of them has it going northward into the Gulf of Mexico or the Bay of Campeche. But other than that, this system is not going to be affecting any other land masses, especially more importantly, it is not going to be affecting anybody in the United States as well. But once again, this upcoming Wednesday is the first official day of the Atlantic hurricane season, and NOAA, or the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, is predicting another very above average hurricane season. So this is the time to get that hurricane preparedness list ready, make sure that you are ready for this upcoming hurricane season. But back to the video, once again, a very big holiday coming up, Memorial Day weekend, one of the biggest holidays, or the busiest weekends, I should say, in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Could not ask for a better weekend. Afternoon highs in the mid-80s, a mix of sunshine and clouds, winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. A little bit more warmer for your Sunday, especially across the PD and also on the border belt. Temperature steady in the high 80s to low 90s. Here's your 10-day forecast along the Grand Strand. Once again, hardly any rain after your Friday. Afternoon highs for your Memorial Day weekend in the mid-80s going all the way into next week. We are steady in the mid to high 80s all throughout next week. I know we do have a 20% chance of rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, but that is one of the lowest rain chances you will ever see on a graphic like this. So please be sure, if you have any plants or vegetation outside that you're worried about dying, consider not going to be getting any rain, I would definitely recommend turning your sprinklers on or watering them daily to make sure that they do not go bad. Here's your forecast inland. Once again, our only single day of rain is tomorrow. Afternoon highs steady in the mid to high 60s. And then we are all the way in the high 80s to low 90s throughout your Memorial Day weekend, all the way into the middle and later parts of next week. Keep it here at Layman's Weather for all the latest information.